There must be some sort of way I could solve this problem. I mean, particularly problems aren't quite like this. The answer should be pretty simple, I mean, it should be obvious. It should be right in front of me, clear as day, but it's not. And I mean, it should be just maybe if I did that, or perhaps just the one thing you're not supposed to be here. Don't press that button. Yes, that button. Don't press it. No, no. Oh, get out. This can never happen again. And would you please